Who the fuck were you on the phone with? Oh, yeah, right, motherfucker. Yeah, right, motherfucker. Well, I called your bitch ass about 50 motherfucking times. You need to check your motherfucking phone, bitch. Oh, I'm fucking tripping. You didn't hear the motherfucking ring. Bitch, I did call your motherfucking phone about 50 motherfucking times, bitch. Why the fuck you ain't answer your motherfucking phone? What the fuck you doing to motherfucking calling me to answer my phone call, bitch? Come fuck down, bitch. Yo, what the fuck you doing? Who the fuck you at? Who the fuck you at? Who the fuck you at? Ain't none of my motherfucking business. Shit, I'm your what the fuck you ain't in my motherfucking business. I'm your motherfucking woman, bitch. Oh, I don't tell you what motherfucking do. I think over there. Well, how about you don't get no motherfucking pussy tonight, bitch? You don't get no motherfucking pussy tonight, bitch. How about that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, alright, motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker, yeah, right. Yeah. Bitch, I tried, bitch, up on my motherfucking hair, bitch. You know I fuck my hair with that perm. You ratchet ass, bitch. I'ma check your motherfucking Facebook page, bitch. How about that? Then I see who fuck you fucking with, bitch. Oh, you got a password on that shit, bitch? Oh, you got a password on that motherfucking shit, huh? Bitch, you think I'm stupid? You think I don't know your motherfucking password, bitch? Watch this shit right now, bitch. This motherfucker think I don't know his motherfucking password. This bitch stupid. Showing their ass and titties and shit. These bitches. Oh shit. It's on. Oh shit, it's on. He don't fucking know it's on. I'm calling his ratchet ass back. Bitch, I just checked your motherfucking Facebook page. Who this motherfucking bitches you on here talking to, bitch? Oh, those your motherfucking friends, huh? That's your motherfucking friends? What is your motherfucking friend? Why this bitch over here showing her motherfucking titties in, bitch? Why the fuck? On titties, you supposed to be looking at these motherfucking titties here, bitch. What fucking titties? Why you looking at my motherfucking? Why you looking at these other bitches' titties, ho? I don't give a goddamn fuck. Bitch, you probably cheating when you don't want these fucking assholes. Who the fuck you fucking with, huh? Is it Louisa? Is it Louisa? Or is it that bitch from across the street? Is it Sandy? I know you ain't fucking crackhead ass Sandy. I know you ain't fucking Sandy. That old nasty ass bitch. She don't even rinse up herself. I know you ain't fucking Sandy. You can't be fucking Sandy. Hell no. You fucking Sandy? I know you was telling me that shit. You was telling me that shit that pissed me off. You really do that shit. Nah, you didn't. You really do that shit. You do that shit. You fuck that. That old dirty daddy. That old dirty pussy bitch. She needs to stink. That bitch stink. That bitch needs to get some fucking pussy out. And time that bitch come up on me, asking me about $2 or $3. Bitch, I ain't got no $2 or $3 for your crack ass bitch. Then go get your stupid ass a job, bitch. Shit. Well, that's why our bitch ass can't go get no job, cause that bitch didn't go to school. That bitch stupid and ignorant. She ain't gonna never be nobody. Oh, how the fuck I come down so motherfucking quick, bitch? Wait, you what? Bitch, I ain't fucking come. I ain't fucking come, bitch. I ain't fucking come. You better believe that, bitch. You better believe that. You better believe that shit. But when you get home tonight, I'm gonna cut your motherfucking dick off tonight, bitch. You fucking I go motherfucking sleep. Your dick would be snip, bitch. Oh, really? Really, you think I won't do it? You think I won't do it? Bitch, I'll be on motherfucking news. I'll be the next black bitch to cut her dick off. I'll be the next black bitch to cut her dick off, bitch. I'll be the next black bitch to cut her dick off, bitch. You better believe it, bitch. I'll be the next bitch. I'll be the next bitch. The color black dick. Your dick be on national TV with the blocker and everything. I'll be holding the motherfucker. Oh, you think I'm playing? Oh, you think I'm playing, bitch? Oh, you think I'm playing, bitch? Hold on. Bitch, think I'm playing. Well, motherfucker, I'm holding scissors right now, bitch. I'm gonna be holding these motherfuckers all day and night till your motherfucking ass get home and take your bitch ass to sleep. Bitch, you better play that ratchet ass PlayStation all night long, bitch. You better play it all night long. You better not go to sleep. Cause you go to sleep, snip, bitch. Snip. Go to sleep. I want you to go to sleep. Go to sleep, bitch. Go to sleep. Cause you fucking cheating on me. That's why I'm fucking pissed, bitch. Fucking you. Are you ignorant? Are you stupid? That's why this whole shit started, bitch. You fucking cheating on me, bitch. I ain't gonna cut your dick off, bitch. I'm gonna cut your dick off and feed it to the motherfucking dogs, bitch. How about that, bitch? Oh, you gonna put your hands on me? Bitch, you be in motherfucking jail. You put your motherfucking hands on me because I'm a lady, bitch. You better believe that shit. I got a pussy between my legs, and if a man with a dick hit a bitch and she got a pussy, that motherfucker go to jail. So you put your motherfucking hands on me, bitch, you be in motherfucking jail. Out. You don't give a fuck about jail? Well, you go to motherfucking jail, they gonna bend your bitch ass over and fuck you in your ass, bitch. They will turn you into a bitch. How about that? You wanna go to jail and be somebody, bitch? You bisexual. You mean you fuck my brother? You fuck Jimmy? You fuck Jimmy. And you fucking me. You motherfucking this bitch. That motherfucker fucking my brother. I can't handle this shit, y'all. I can't handle this shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That motherfucker fucking Jimmy. Oh, I gotta call his ass. I gotta call him. That can't be real. He gotta be lying. Jimmy, I got a question for you. Are you gay? You is, huh? So, you fuck my man, huh? Oh, you did, huh? Yeah, and you didn't tell me, huh? Yeah, oh, it's like that, huh, bitch? Well, bitch, we gonna be on Jasmine or some show, one of these motherfucking shows, bitch. I don't give a fuck what show it is. But we gonna be on motherfucking TV, bitch, with this motherfucking nasty ass shit. What? I fuck my man every night, bitch. He get lots of pussy for me. What the fuck you wanna fuck with your asshole? You don't even wash your ass out. Your ass is filthy. You don't believe in taking baths, bitch. Bitch, I'm about to kick your motherfucking ass when I see your bitch ass, bitch. Bye. I can't do this shit no more. Bye, y'all. I can't do this shit no more. I can't do this show no more. If y'all like this video, put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do a new video every week. So, if y'all like this, just please subscribe. It help me out. Alright. Love y'all.